What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the Galaxy S23 is preparing to be one of the most interesting tops of the Samsung range of recent years. However, provided that some of the rumors that have emerged in the recent months are respected, including the mass switch to the Qualcomm's SoC for most of the S23 and the introduction of the new 200 megapixel sensor, all elements capable of bringing with the important innovations on various fronts, especially for European consumers. The keeping of the rumor is in fact very important, as it follows us to begin to draw a first complete picture of the situation as a certain characteristics is repeated over time, thus going to confirm its presence in the final version of the product. This does not seem to have happened due to the design rumors that emerged at the end of September, given that a new message published by ICE Universe seems to overturn much of the news illustrated in recent weeks by renderings published by OnLeaks. If in those rumors there was talk of a Galaxy S23 capable of offering a more updated and optimized design than the Galaxy S22 Ultra, it seems that instead, Samsung will opt for a much more conservative approach. One of the key features highlighted by the new renderings of OnLeaks concerned the presence of a very similar design to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but corrected and optimized in some specific points, such as the parity between the upper and front edge of the display, which could be both had to be extremely thin. In general, cleaning of the back, with the removal of the bumps dedicated to the 3x telephoto camera and laser autofocus sensor. The latter should have been on par with the thickness of the body so that smartphone could have only 3 protrusions, main camera, ultra-wide angle and 10x telephoto, and therefore offer an appearance very similar to that of the other S23s. However, it seems that CAD renders used by OnLeaks was not correct, and ICE Universe confirmed that it has had access to more recent information that denies the innovations present in the renderings published previously. In short, the lower edge will continue to be thicker, and the back of the smartphone will once again offer 5 protrusions in the photographic compartment area, each dedicated to the individual elements present in that area. ICE Universe has published 2 images depicting the novelty elements highlighted by OnLeaks, indicated which of these are to be considered incorrect. As we can see, the absence of these aesthetic updates will lead Galaxy S23 Ultra to be even more similar to Galaxy S22 Ultra that it already was. Even net of the insider changes, confirming that the next top of the range from Samsung will not introduce substantial improvements in terms of design. As for the appearance of the photographic module, it seems that the only difference will concern the presence of a particular individual protrusions, an element that should contribute to determining a small detachment compared to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and at the same time to ensure greater protection to the glass of the cameras. But also to have confirmation of this, we will have to wait for further rumors able to confirm its presence. It is expected that the new Galaxy S23 line will officially launch in February next year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.